Hello guys, this is James and you're watching Let's Architecture. In today's video, we're going to be looking at lighting. In particular, the importance of good lighting when it comes to architectural rendering. So without any further ado, let's architecture. Some of you are familiar with this project. It's a pavilion for a writer/photographer. For this project, I plan to create a physical model. However, it's not gonna happen in the next 3 to 4 months. So I had to, let's say, imitate the final result using renders. For those of you who are not familiar with the concept of a conceptual model, the purpose of it is to explain the sort of concept behind this project rather than represent the final design. So in this case, the concept of this pavilion is to have these sort of 3 interlocking spaces and the main space to be this semi-translucent, almost outside space. So hence you can see the frames made of glass. So I've created a 3D model. I've applied all the textures. It's in 3ds Max. You can see it here. And just to show you, here is the final render. Most of you would probably just add some sort of HRI map as a sort of environment lighting and render just that. And this was the result. However, if we go back, you would see that all of these things are little lights, and I also have these big ones as well. If we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the environment 14 lights. That's a lot, but now I'll show you why it's important. So this is just the environment render. Light source number 1, having highlighting the back. Light source number 2, 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I have reflection layer, refraction, indirect lighting, and albedo. I think that's it. Yes. So as you can see, there is a lot of lighting, and if we all put them together, so that's just environment, and that's all of those put together. What's beautiful about Corona is that I can sort of toggle them on and off, and this is really important because I never understood why photographers need so much lighting, and this is a perfect example of why good lighting is important. So please don't just go for your just environment. Play with lights. This makes a huge difference. Huge. Then I went into Photoshop, imported it. So that's the raw image. Had some play with Nick collection. Bang, bang, bang. And that's my final result that I'm actually quite happy. So that and that. So yes guys, please play with your lights. It's crucial Thanks for tuning in. I do appreciate it. I hope this was helpful. Until next time, this is James. Let's architecture.